How to change your SafePal account password. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily change your SafePal account password. Well, if you forgot your password or if you just want to change your password, then it's pretty simple. Now, if you forgot your password on the login page, you can easily select the forgot password option. But if you just want to change your password, it's pretty simple. Simply go ahead and open up your account, right? The SafePal app, and log into your account. Now here, what you want to do is once you're there on the app, you want to tap on the settings. You can see the settings or the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once here, you can see the option, very first option that says security. You want to tap on it, and under it, you can see the very last option that says change security password. You want to simply tap on it, and then it'll ask you to enter in your old password. Enter in your old password, and once you do so, you can go ahead and set your new password. So this is how you can change your SafePal account password easily. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.